Home HVAC Services provides reliable and affordable AC maintenance in Westchester, PA, ensuring your system runs efficiently all season long. Our experienced technicians deliver thorough inspections, tune-ups, and preventative care to keep your home cool and comfortable. Call our AC maintenance if you have any questions. Are you looking for AC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What does AC maintenance include? AC maintenance typically includes cleaning coils, checking refrigerant levels, inspecting electrical components, replacing or cleaning filters, and ensuring the system is running efficiently. Can AC maintenance lower my energy bills? Yes, a well-maintained system runs more efficiently, which can reduce energy consumption and lower your monthly utility costs. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC maintenance have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania AC maintenance office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.